Welcome to another edition of Brian's Big Idea. I'm Brian Boland. I'm the aggressive growth stock strategist here at Zacks. And every couple of weeks, I come back with a nice big idea. And today, it's nuclear energy, not nuclear energy, nuclear energy. Did I say it fast enough? I don't know. I think y'all get the point. Atoms smashing, a reaction happening, and then water used to drive a turbine engine, most likely. Now, there is a new thing in this space here. It's the small module reactors, and they're pretty hot, or at least the ideas have been, yet none of them are up and running just yet, but they're coming because the grid is pretty much maxed out, and we're going to have all these data centers coming online, and they all need power. So this is going to be the solution. So let's take a look at a few of them. First, we're going to start with Oklo. OKLO is the ticker. It's a Zacks rank number 3. And F's for value and growth. You can see when the stock came public a couple of years ago, there was a lot of excitement because Sam Altman was on the board. He's behind ChatGPT, the OpenAI company there. So he was also behind this company as well. So this is very likely to be one of the drivers for power for OpenAI. You can see there was some big hype around the name as it spiked up to around 180 and has come down significantly, as investors are saying and realizing they're going to have to wait a couple more years before there's any sales on this, but it's still an $8.7 billion market cap and still a good name to keep on your radar screen. So that's Oklo. They were one of the first to market with this idea, and it's pretty compelling when we think about how much need there's going to be. Next one is SMR. That's NuScale, and obviously they get their name from small module reactor. They're going to be doing the same thing. And you see the same basic chart pattern here, pop up to, $50 and come all the way back down. We're under 10 now, which makes me interested in the stock because now I can look at it for stocks under 10. But right now it's a 3, so we're not going to be adding it anytime soon. So don't go rushing out and buying this. But definitely the same idea. Finally, I'm going to touch on a newer name. It doesn't have a Zacks rank yet. It's Eagle Nuclear Energy Corp. Nucle. I don't know. How do you want to say that ticker? But it's NUCL. And the difference here between this is a SPAC that just recently came out, dipped down to 5 and has come back to 7. And we could see that it's moving up nicely today, 5%. The difference in the story here with Eagle Nuclear Energy Corp, and why I'm bringing this one to your attention before it even has a Zacks rank, is that they merged with another company that's a mine that has a lot of uranium, and that's the difference maker here. These other small module reactor companies need to acquire uranium. Eagle Nuclear Energy has a lot of it, and that is a big difference. And as these things start to come online, the need for that uranium is going to be pretty big. We could look at the uranium pricings and things like that, but this company won't have to worry about that. They've got their supply on lockdown already. So I would expect this company with only a very small market cap of $215 million to really turn things up once they get their first plant up and running. You know that there's other ones that have begun process, but we'll keep a close eye on Eagle Nuclear Energy. All right, so now I've talked about all that, and now I got to talk about one of our great services here at Zacks. It's Alternative Energy Innovators. This is great portfolio. I'm just going to, I showed it to you already, but Ben has got a ton of winners. He is definitely a buy and hold type guy when he's managing a portfolio. He's got a lot of names that are in there for 2 years, 1 year plus, and it proves that the energy consumption idea is an ongoing thing and it's moving up. So if you're into the alternative energy space, this is a great portfolio that you should check out. It is Ben Raines driving the Alternative Energy Innovators. All right, that's it for me. Be sure to join me next time when I have a big idea. Until then, why don't you go to Zacks.com/promo to check out all of our latest promotions.